So now we are done with damages, we are done with rescission, we are done with suit upon quantum merit. The next is suit for specific performance. Now, what do you mean by specific performance? What do you mean by specific performance? Specific performance means wherein a party has breached the contract. The aggrieved party goes to the court and says, I had entered into a contract with a party. Now that party is not performing the contract, it is breaching the contract. I want the complete performance of the contract. So the court will look into the matter and say if the contract needs to be specifically performed or no. Specific performance is the last level of remedy. Initially, the court will try to settle the case by way of damages, by way of compensation. And if the court is of the opinion that possibly the damages is not the correct remedy in this case, it will award specific performance in the case. Now, if the court awards specific performance, the party who has refused to perform the contract will have to compulsorily perform it. He'll have to perform it compulsorily because the court has ordered specific performance of the contract. Now, the party cannot say, I'll pay damages, I'll compensate for the contract, but I'll not perform it. Specific performance is necessary. Now, specific performance is normally given in cases where the right to compensation is considered to be insufficient. Compensation cannot be a correct remedy in the case. For example, let's say a big producer takes in Shah Rukh Khan as his hero for a movie. He chalks out a role, he creates a story for Shah Rukh Khan, keeping Shah Rukh Khan in mind, because he wants to make a movie with Shah Rukh Khan, because he thinks Shah Rukh Khan is a good actor and a movie with him will give him will pay him good dividends. So Shah Rukh Khan also enters into a contract with him. Now, after a couple of days of shooting, Shah Rukh Khan cancels the contract, and this producer has already incurred some cost in bringing in the unit, in hiring the place for shooting. He has already booked flight tickets for transportation and traveling. He has already booked crew members' dates. So now he has incurred some cost. But Shah Rukh Khan has cancelled the movie. So this producer goes to the court and says, my contract has been breached. And the court awards compensation to him. You will get whatever loss you have incurred as compensation from Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan also agrees to it. But this party, this producer says, no, I do not want monetary compensation here. I had planned this film with Shah Rukh Khan. I had prepared a story for Shah Rukh Khan, keeping Shah Rukh Khan in mind. I had created a character keeping Shah Rukh Khan in mind, which will suit him. Now, this character cannot be played by anyone else because this was particularly chalked out for Shah Rukh Khan. So even if you compensate me for the losses, I cannot go ahead with the movie with someone else. Nobody else will be fitting into it. And I have already put in a lot of efforts in this. But I do not want compensation. Compensation will not help me. So in this case, if the court is satisfied that yes, monetary compensation is not sufficient remedy here, This contract is about the personal skills of the promiser, about the talent of the promiser. It is a personal contract in nature. So, what it will do is it will award specific performance in the contract wherein Shah Rukh Khan will be asked to specifically perform the contract. He'll be asked to complete the movie because only he can play that role. Nobody else can do it. So this is a suit upon specific performance.